In today's video, we're going to solve an interesting Excel problem where we need to add leading zeros to numbers based on their length. This is a common task when working with data that needs to follow a specific format, like IDs or codes. The rules are simple. If the number has one digit, we add two leading zeros. If it has two digits, we add one leading zero. And if it has three digits, we leave it as it is. To solve this, we'll use the base function, which is dynamic and avoids the limitations of the text function. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the base function. This function converts a number into a text string in a specified base, and it allows us to specify the minimum length of the result. The syntax for the base function is shown here. The first argument number is the value we want to convert. The second argument base is the numbering system we want to use. Since we're working with decimal numbers, we'll use base 10. The third argument, min_length, is the minimum length of the result, which is where we'll control the number of leading zeros. Now, let's write the formula step by step. Start by typing equals to begin the formula. Then type base, open parenthesis. For the first argument, select the cell in column B. Let's start with B5 to B15. Next, type a comma, and then type the number 10. This specifies that we're working in base 10, which is the decimal system. Type another comma, and now we need to calculate the maximum length dynamically. To do this, we'll use the max and len functions. This part of the formula calculates the maximum length of the numbers in column B, ensuring that the result is formatted correctly for all rows. Finally, close the parentheses for the base function. You'll see that the number 1 is now displayed as 001. Perfect. And the leading zero will dynamically increase based on the maximum length of the number in the column B. And that's it. We've successfully formatted our numbers with leading zeros using the base function. This method is dynamic, meaning it will automatically adjust if the data changes or if new rows are added. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you need further adjustments.